To record in Das Boot, close the studio door and silence your cell phone. If not logged in, you will log in to the computer. The username is news, News, and the password is WORT News, WORTNEWS. Next, you will open your sound editing program. You will select a file, click on New, and then on Waveform. The file settings should be 44,100 Hz, mono, and 16-bit wave. You will title your file and then hit OK. Turn on the relevant audio inputs, including your microphone, mic 1, and the computer. Remember to adjust or balance the levels of your inputs in the soundboard before starting your record, as well as the studio volume, the monitor, and the headphone.
This is Faye Parks. I am the news producer for the local news, so that's 6 o'clock Monday through Thursday, and I'm going to show you how to actually use this soundboard here in Das Boot. So first thing, you're going to be recording on mic 1 most often. You want to turn on this button. You'll see it's lit up. And then moving this, toggling it up and down can change the volume, but generally you want it to be right here around the bold line. And then, of course, if you are recording someone via Zoom, via Google Meet, you also want to turn on the computer sound. That'll be lit up as well. Same thing, you could toggle this up and down and it will change the volume. And then lastly, to hear it either through the computer monitor or through your headphones to hear what you're actually recording, you can move this up and down and hear what's going on.
Click Record. This is Diego Alegría recording in Das Boot. Once you have finished recording, press stop. Go to File and then Save to save the file in its corresponding folder. That is how you record in Das Boot, especially when you are reading your script for the news. For WORT News, I have been your trainer, Diego Alegría.